The Golden King, a tiger's journey to the throne. The story begins in the dense, humid heart of the jungle, where a tiny, blind cub is born into a world of vibrant greens and deadly shadows. For the first few weeks, the tiger cub is completely dependent on its mother, hidden away in tall grass or a rocky crevice. Unlike the lion, who has a pride for support, the tigress is a single mother, protecting her cubs from hungry leopards, pythons, and even other male tigers. As the cub's eyes open, it begins to see the world in a way humans never can, vivid, sharp, and perfectly attuned to movement. These early months are a playful training ground. Every wrestle with a sibling and every clumsy pounce on a falling leaf is a vital lesson in the art of the kill. The cub doesn't know it yet, but it is being groomed to become the most powerful land predator on Earth. By the time the tiger reaches 18 months, the playful cub has transformed into a sleek, 300-pound apprentice. This is the stage of learning the silent approach. The tiger discovers that its orange and black stripes aren't just for show, they are the ultimate camouflage, breaking up its silhouette in the flickering light of the forest floor. It learns the patience of a saint, waiting for hours for a single deer to wander just a few feet too close. It also masters the water, becoming one of the few big cats that truly loves to swim, capable of crossing wide rivers to chase prey. But with maturity comes the inevitable heartbreak of the wild. The mother starts to pull away, eventually forcing her young to find their own path. This is the moment of truth where the young tiger must transition from a protected cub to a solitary wanderer. The middle years of a tiger's life are defined by a brutal quest for territory. A tiger without land is a tiger without a future. Our young king must roam hundreds of miles, marking trees with its claws and scent, challenging established males in fierce, bone-crushing battles. Once a territory is claimed, the tiger becomes the ghost of the forest. Its life is a cycle of intense solitude and explosive action. It is a master of the night, using its superior night vision to hunt under the cover of darkness. Every successful hunt is a feat of incredible strength, as a tiger can take down a gaur or a water buffalo that weighs 3 times its own body mass. This is the tiger in its prime, a solitary, majestic powerhouse that rules its kingdom with an iron paw and a terrifying roar that can be heard 2 miles away. As the years pass, the tiger's life becomes a struggle against time and the elements. An old tiger bears the scars of 100 battles, torn ears, broken canines, and a coat that has faded under the relentless sun. Its once silent footsteps become a little heavier, and the agile deer become harder to catch. In its final chapter, the tiger often retreats to the deepest, most remote parts of its territory. It has lived a life of absolute independence, never bowing to anyone. Even in its weakness, it commands respect. When the end finally comes, the forest feels a heavy silence, as if acknowledging the fall of a king. The tiger's legacy lives on in the cubs it sired and the fear it instilled in the heart of the jungle. It remains the ultimate symbol of wild beauty and raw, untamed power, a golden flame that flickered brightly in the dark of the woods.